there is enough evidence in the modern era that this kind of a solar flash is possible, and in extreme cases it can end civilization also. Now, one anecdotal information I can give you, Ashwini, is that in 1859, I don't know if you know this, there's something called as the Carrington event.
1859 Carrington event. What is that?
So the Carrington event is very interesting. So there was this kind of a solar flash that apparently happened. It was, I think, an M-class solar flare. And back then we had telegraph technology. Okay, we did not have very advanced technology back then. So it basically roasted and burnt out all the telegraph lines.
Okay.
So, and obviously disrupted the electrical grid. One more incident which is very famous is the blackout, which happened in Canada. We had a similar extremely large solar flare that hit the earth on the Canadian side, and poor Canadians, they had to take the brunt of it. But this blackout has been documented in history as a legitimate solar flare incident. There is enough evidence in the modern era that this kind of a solar flash is possible, and in extreme cases it can end civilization also. That is what David Wilcock, it has been the core part of his research, that when will this event happen, and he believed in his wisdom that this would usher in a golden age, that we were obviously going from Kali Yuga. In fact, he made a lot of reference to Hindu texts. He was a strong believer that we were in the Kali Yuga and in the transition period going into the Satya Yuga, and he believed that the golden age would come about, and that was his